Good morning, all of you. So this is your class 6, chapter number 16, garbage in and garbage out. We are having a tick the correct options. First is your which of these will remain as such in oil for many years. So that will be your glass bottles, यानी कि आपका option number D. Then second we are having a method of disposal of waste is your vermicomposting, landfills and composting, means all of the processes are there. So answer number D is your correct option, all of these. Then which of the following is biodegradable? Then option number D, that is your notebook is your biodegradable. Option number D is the answer. Then question number 4, which of the following are used for vermicomposting? That is your red worms, option number A. Then which of the following is biodegradable waste? That is your paper, so option number C is the correct option. Then question number 6, decomposition of solid waste in the landfills take about 20 years, so option number D is the correct option. Then 7, plastic bags can be disposed of by, that is your reusing and recycling. Then question number 8, the blue dustbin is for collecting, that is your non-biodegradable waste, option number B is the correct answer. Then waste released by the vehicle is your gaseous waste, so option number C is your correct answers. Then we are having question number 10, which is not an example of a biodegradable waste, that is your plastic, option number B. Okay, then here comes your fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is your the dash color dustbin is used for collecting biodegradable waste, that is your green color. Then second we are having vermicomposting uses red worms to change kitchen waste into a very high quality manure, that is your red worms. Then question number 3 is your the waste which can decompose in nature is called organic waste. Then question number 4, burning plastics give out dash gases. Which gases? Harmful gases. Then question number 5, we are having the conversion of plants and vegetable waste into fertilizers is called composting. Then question number C, we are having domestic sewage is a dash waste, that is your biodegradable waste. Then question number 7, we are having broken glass is a dash waste, that is your non-biodegradable waste. Then sometimes that has no use is called your waste. Then question number 9, waste that do not rot by the action of decomposers are called non-biodegradable. Okay, then we can manage question number 10, we can manage our waste by reducing, reusing and recycling. Okay, so this is your fill in the blanks. And then here next comes your match the following, that is your column number 1. It is first is your vermicomposting. So vermicomposting is your composting using red worms, so that option number C is the correct answer. Then plastic, what is your plastic? It is a non-biodegradable waste, so this is your A. Then third is your composting. Composting is decomposition of biodegradable waste, that is your option number B. Then question number 4, that fourth is your paper, so paper is your biodegradable waste. Okay, then fifth is your landfill. Landfill is your open area for the waste disposal. Okay, now here comes your questions, very short answers, that is your question number 1, name the waste produced or released by the industries, that is your inorganic waste released by the industries. Then question number 2, name the process by which substances are broken down by tiny organism, that process is your decomposition. Then question number 3, name the thing which is of no use, that is your waste. Waste is the thing which is of no use. Then question number 4, name the alternative way of using discarded things. Answer number 4 is the alternative way of using discarded thing is recycle and reuse. Then what are the two colors of the dustbin provided by the municipality to collect different kind of waste? That is your blue dustbin and green dustbins. Okay, then answer number 6, recycling is the question number 6 is your what do you understand by the recycling of waste? That is your recycling is the process of recovery and reprocessing of waste material for use in new products. Then next we are having name any two waste materials which can be recycled, जिसको हम recycle कर सकते हैं, are your paper and plastics. Then answer number 9, the type of worm used for vermicompost. Then question number 8, name the type of worm used for vermicomposting, that are your earthworm and red worms. Then question number 10 is your name the domestic waste, that is your domestic wastes are your paper, cardboard, woods and etc. Okay, then question number 7, write a harmful effect of your plastic. So that is your glass, plastic are some material articles are non biodegradable waste that is harming the nature. Okay, then question, short answers question and very long answer questions are given in your notes that you have to copy down in your copies. Okay, so this finishes your question answers and the book work. Thank you and have a nice day.
मैंने मैम को 7th वाले बुक में वीडियो बना के